Hello everyone and welcome to Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, legends. Today I'd like to take a look at how to change the gain settings manually on the Viz Connect audio. Now I've shown how you can do this via the admin panel in other videos, but there's a quick and easy way to adjust those same signals without having to log into the system. So just a few knob twists and clicks and you're off and running. So let me show you how it's done, son. All right, so I am got my camera here on my Viz Connect audio, and let's go ahead and zoom in so I can show you exactly what we're working with today. So currently I have some audio sources coming in on inputs number 7 and 8. Okay, so what I want to show you today is how you can change the gain settings directly on the panel itself, as opposed to having to log in via Studio Monitor, get the IP address, log into it, yada, 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 which is great if you were remote. But let's say that you're right next to this thing. You're like, I don't want to bust out my laptop for this. I want to do it right here on the panel. Well, today I'm going to show you how you do that. So from this menu right here where you see all your VU meters, again, you can see that I have inputs coming in on 7 and 8, and I want to adjust the gain settings on that. So this one's pretty easy. All you need to do is use this scroll wheel here, and you'll see when I do that, I can go through. So now number 2 is illuminated, 3, 4, yada, yada, yada. And then, all right, I want to adjust number 7. Cool, I've selected that. Now just click the jog wheel in like so, and now you have access to your gain settings. So if you want, you can crank that up all the way. I think it'll go all the way to what, 20 dB? Yep. Or you can turn it all the way down to absolute 0 if you wanted to. Cool. So this is how you can give yourself a little extra juice if you need to without having to log into the system. And to get out of this part, just simply click on the jog wheel again, and you're back to where you started. Cool. And not only will this work on the inputs, but it'll also work on the outputs. So if I will go over to A and B, I currently don't have anything coming out of there right now, but if the same concept applies, just click on it and you can crank the gain controls for that, and even on the headphones as well. So pretty easy to do, just right here with the jog wheel without having to log into the system via Studio Monitor. So some cool stuff you can do with this thing. Like I said, I really like the Viz Connect audio. It is changing the game as far as my workflow is concerned, and I'm sure will be helpful in y'all's workflow as well to be able to turn analog audio sources into NDI audio sources and distribute them however you want. No more gaff tape, no more XLR cables all over the floor. Woohoo! I'm very excited about that, as you can tell. So highly recommend playing around with this, and of course, have some fun. Hey, there you have it, another awesome way to use the Viz Connect audio. I'll be diving more into this awesome system in future videos, so be sure to subscribe to the Vizrt YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized Vizrt product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find even more information about Vizrt products and services by contacting your local Vizrt partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using Vizrt products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags Vizrt, TriCaster, or Viz Connect Audio. I see all of these posts and love all the work that you're doing. Keep it up. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials.